And why did you choose your specialty po?
I graduated my medical Sige. Sige.
Hello, ako po ay si Dr. Gary Andrew, orthopedic surgeon dito sa PRI Medical Center. Ang clinic schedule ko po ay Wednesday, 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Nung nagsisimula pa lang ako in practice. The strategy was, of course, to have many patients, and to accomplish that, you have to go to as many hospital as possible, no? Kasi first, hindi ako Kapampangan, so this is not my dito baluarte ko. Actually, not only that, I'm not really from here, so I don't know anyone here, so I have to introduce myself to them, no? Para makilala ako ng mga fellow doctors and patients para pumunta sila. So initially, that was one of the strategies, no? And then, pag nakilala ka, dadami yung patients mo. But, ang problem sa strategy na yan, of course, no work, no pay. Kasi, syempre, kikita ka lang pag merong pupunta sa yung pasyente. Pag nagkakapasyente ka, syempre, kahit konti ang doktor dito sa Pampanga, technically, marami pa rin gawin. No? So, hindi lahat ng pasyente pupunta sa iyo. So, yun nga, you have to think of other options, no? Of course, that's where business part will come in, no? So, one of those things, of course, is either you could choose from all other businesses, especially kung magaling ka, of course, dapat pinag-aaralan yun, no? Hindi ka lang pasok ng pasok. So you have to, preferably, yung business sa papasukan mo is something na you're familiar with. And more often than not, no, yung mga doctors are familiar with hospitals. Kasi syempre, yun yung livelihood namin, no? So, yeah, investing in new hospital is one of the options. Kasi at least you have the integral parts, alam mo. And of course, since ang patients mo naman ay papasok. So, it's given, kumbaga, given for us doctors. No? Kung yung business naman is related to medical services, it's good kasi yun na yung ginagawa namin. No? But of course, when you go to all these business seminars, of course, they always say they diversify. So, hindi lang yun dapat yung ano mo, no? You don't put your egg in one basket, no? So, kung the more na may mapapasukan ka, no, the better, no? And of course, dalawa yung tao din klase yan. Either you're a risk taker or you're playing safe, no? So, kung risk taker ka, of course, high returns, pero of course, there's also risk na high risk ka kung kayo safe. And yun yung mga titimbangin mo, no, when you go into business. So, for now, yun yung strategy ko. In my practice, so far, luckily, it's going steady. So, it's time to I think it's okay to look. Kasi syempre, we're always looking for our retirement. And syempre, when you say about retirement, hindi naman pwede na wala kang kikitain na after that, no? So, pag hindi ako practice, wala kaming kita. So, you have to have other source of income. So, that's why, in the end, business pa rin talaga yung gusto namin para kahit pa paano, we could relax more. Because even if we're good at what we do, eventually, mararamdaman, andyan talaga yung stress, stress of treating patient. Because even no matter how good you are in your field, And no matter ginawa mo na lahat ng tama ang gagawin sa patient, meron pa rin talagang mangyayaring, unfortunately, tinatawag naming morbidity or mortality. And those problem takes its toll on us. So the earlier na makakaano kami, no, kahit pa paano magre-relax kami na konti, the better for us. To our future physicians, no, being or going through medicine and being a doctor, it's not easy. No, yung hardship, it's always there, no, from pre-med to medical school. Tapos when you graduate, akala mo tapos na. Then you enter residency, and then andyan na naman, akala pagkatapos yung residency, tapos na. Hindi pa, no? Even when you're practicing, even when you're decades into your practice, it will always be difficult, but it will also be worth it, no? You have to be committed, no, to your profession. You have to love it, no? And kahit pa paano, you have to have in yourself service to your fellow men. Kasi without that, it will be hard to finish it. If it's not in you, no, mahirap maghanap ng meaning sa ginagawa mo kung wala ka nun. It's worth it, but you have to be talagang kailangan gustong-gusto mo siya. Kailangan gustong-gusto mo siya. O, dapat hindi ka na pag pumasok ka, wala nang lingunan yan. Kundi didiretso ka na lang.